Are you suffering from rig flop? Let's fix it with the LinkIt. Good day everybody, Brent with Mission Spec here, and today I would like to introduce you to the LinkIt Kit. If you have a chest rig mounted to your plate carrier with unsecured sides, then you know how much trouble and how annoying that can be. With large rigs coming back into style, I'm sure many of you have experienced this. That unsecured mass can hurt your movement efficiency and poses a snag risk. The LinkIt is a retention device that will interface with the PALS grid on your plate carrier's cummerbund or rear plate bag, and then plugs directly into the chest rig side buckles. Once you have made the connection, a single pull of the shock cord will cinch both top and bottom connections to your desired level. Because the device is made with a single piece of shock cord, the top and bottom should cinch up evenly with the single pull. While in development, we also discovered that with select plate carriers, you can actually use the LinkIt to completely replace the cummerbund, either with or without a chest rig, giving you fully elastic and breathable sides. The kit itself comes with both a left and right retention device, 4 chasm buckles, and 4 split bar GTSR female buckles. With these, you will probably be able to make just about any combination of gear work. All buckles are acetyl polymer. The kit weighs 2.8 ounces, is Berry compliant, designed, tested, and manufactured in the United States, and carries a limited lifetime warranty. The LinkIt kit is a one-size-fits-nearly-everyone design. You most likely will have shock cord left over. You can either wrap it up and stow it, or cut it off and sear the edges to prevent fraying. With the rear interface, you can install MOLLE pouches over top and maintain the use of your PALS grid. Get your LinkIt at missionspec.com or at an authorized Mission Spec dealer.